Okay, in this video we have to simplify these tons of algebraic expressions. Just forgot to memorize them. Okay, this one is the first one. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is arrange the like terms. Arranges the like terms, and the solution will be quite easy for you to do. Okay, like in the first example, we have to arrange the constants, the x variables and the x square variables. Okay, like x square minus x square minus 5x plus 6x plus 4 minus 3. So you can see that I have arranged all the like terms over here. So now we can easily cancel these out. 0. You may write it like this: 0x square plus 1x plus 1. Yeah, and this way you can just do it. Let's work out another example. Let's say I have taken this one: 2ab square times with b square b4. All right, 4a square b square times with 5a square b4 square b5 times with 3a square b. All right, so now we have to multiply these terms, add up to the powers. 20, a 2 plus 2, b 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 2, b 5 plus 1. Okay, the power over the b will be 1. All right. So now 20, a4, b6, 6, 4, 5, 6. All right, now you can easily cancel the terms, subtract the terms, and you have got this more simplified form after arranging all of the terms. So now in this way you can do all of the algebraic expressions, add up them together. But first of all, the first thing that you need to do is arrange the like terms.